Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing my annual what I got for Christmas haul. I am sitting in front of a mountain of miscellaneous things today. It was a very good Christmas for me, which I am very grateful for. You know, obviously it's not about the presents, especially this year. It's more about spending time with people if you can do so safely, or Zooming or FaceTiming or whatever. We had a very safe, socially distanced Christmas. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. One of the things that I knew I was getting and I kind of like helped pick out were some new plates, and these are like fancy special occasion plates, which I know are kind of like not something a lot of people ask for anymore or get, but these are Disney plates. So this is from the ink and paint collection that Disney put out this year. And my grandma just got us a full set, so 4 of these like plates that have sketches on them and the glare from the light. There we go. It has a lot of different Disney characters on them, especially ones that are kind of obscure. So like Briar Fox is on here, the 3 Caballeros. I'm looking for other ones that usually aren't on stuff. Bambi you don't see on a whole lot of stuff. So we got 4 of these really cool plates. So then I got a hat and scarf from my mom and dad. I think these are from Old Navy. And this, I've already worn the hat. I wore it on Christmas Day. But it just has this really cute kind of, I don't know, I think ski lodge pattern. But it has a lot of color in it with like the mustardy yellows and greens and stuff. This is really the only winter hat I have that covers like my whole head completely. So it's nice to have another one. And then I got the matching scarf as well, which has lots of kind of like almost like ugly sweater, but I don't think these are ugly. I think this is just like a nice bright wintry pattern. So yeah, these are from Old Navy. My aunt and uncle on my dad's side got me some pajamas. Everyone in my family knows I love Jack Skellington. That's like the joke on TikTok or whatever, that the one thing that you said you liked and then everyone gets that for you for the rest of your life. Jack Skellington for me, but I'm very much okay with it. I got these fleecy pajamas, so it is pants, a shirt, and then a pair of fluffy socks. And they also got me Nightmare Before Christmas socks. There's like 10 pairs in here. The ones I'm most excited for are these purple ones with 0 on them. I have a feeling I will wear those the most out of anything. And then I got some cozy gripper socks. I think these are from my mom and dad as well. And then my cousin actually like did the sweetest thing in the world. She saved her birthday money from October to buy everybody Christmas gifts this year, which was really sweet. And she's like 12 or 13, so it was very unexpected and everyone was very surprised, but it was really nice. And she got me brush cleaner for my makeup brushes because she knows me well, and I am super excited about this because I right now use face soap or dish soap, and that's not like the best. The face soap is fine, but the dish soap not so much. So it's nice to have actual makeup brush cleaner. From my mom and dad, I got a new pack of Apple Watch bands. I got actually 2 packs. There's another pack I'll show you guys here, but it's just different colors. My other band was getting really worn out, and these ones are more like the actual Apple like issued ones with the little metal clasp. And then they got me another multicolored pack that has like more of the Fitbit actual watch band clasp on it. I got a lotion from my aunt and uncle in Cactus Blossom, which I love the smell of. It's so fresh and clean and nice. And then because Sean and I try and use as little plastic as possible in the house, especially one-time use plastic, my mom and dad got us these little pop-up like Tupperware containers. They're silicone and they pop out or pop in so we can store produce from the store in. So they got us 2 of those, and the sandwich bag ones. So these are like Ziplocs, but they are silicone, completely reusable. And I mean, you can use them to put whatever you want in them, like makeup if you're traveling, sandwiches, school supplies. They're very versatile, but we're gonna use them for like food and stuff. Some stocking stuffers I got from my parents. I am a perpetual to-do list person, like I always have one. So this one says going places and doing things, and it's just a little like journal to put either my to-do list or video ideas or whatever. I'm always using up notebooks. So they got me this little one. And then just some stuff like a hand mask, some under eye patches, some blotting papers, nail files that are Christmassy. They got me some lottery tickets too, which I actually won $6 on. And then some little chapsticks that I've already opened and used. My mom and dad also got me a black sweater. It's just literally that. It's just a plain knit black sweater. I have no black sweaters. I only have really bright colors. So I wanted one that was just kind of neutral to wear with just jeans and be comfy. They also get me pajamas every year. So they got me these like jogger style flannel pajama pants, but they are like black leopard print, which is one of my favorite prints. And to go with that, they got me this Bah Humpug shirt, which I actually picked out for my cousin for her Christmas present too. She really liked it and I didn't even know I was getting it, so now we match. They also got me a pair of just plain gray joggers. These are the Old Navy joggers. They're so soft and they have pockets and they're my favorite. I have them in burgundy, I have them in a tan cheetah print, and now I have them in gray. My cousin's boyfriend got me a pair of Jack Skellington pineapple pajama pants, and I already wore these. They are so comfy. I wore them on Christmas morning. They are like the perfect weight for me. It gets really hot in our apartment at night, so these are like super light, but I can also wear pants so I'm warm. Very nice. I think those are from Box Lunch too. And then I got a new pair of workout pants. These are the high waist, full length, tight workout pants from Pink. They have like the sculpting lines on them, like the contours and stuff. This is like the latest colorway they came out with, and they have a whole bunch like in this style, but I really love these. And I got the matching sports bra as well. Those are also from my mom and dad. They got me a t-shirt to go with the pants. It's just one that says Pink with, I think it's supposed to be like tie-dye kind of over the letters. I got a sweatshirt from like my mom and dad ordered it for me, but I knew I was getting it, and it is for my cousin's college that she plays softball at. I got this for if we're able to go watch her games at some point this summer, or you know, in the spring, whenever. I got a shirt. Also got a pair of joggers from Pink. These are the camo campus jogger, I think is the style, or cargo jogger. So they're supposed to be a little bit baggy. They have pockets here, and then they have cargo pockets on the side, and they're just so soft and they seem so comfy. So I'm very excited to wear those. I also got a new workout bag from my parents. I don't really have like a small gym bag. I only have a really big duffel, and it just doesn't really work with when I am able to go to the gym with what I carry. I usually just take my phone, my water bottle, my headphones, and maybe a change of clothes and shoes. So they got me this bag. I think it's from Pink as well. Yeah, it's from Pink, and it is camo and kind of like these mauve-y browns and pinks and tans and stuff. So it has a long strap and then 2 short straps. So I will use that when I can. They also got me a crew neck sweatshirt that is camo, but it is like tan and purple, gray, and yeah, I think that's it. I don't know, some of the gray looks kind of green too, so there might be a little bit of green mixed in there. And then I got another camo item, but this is much more subtly camo. These are the compression pants from Old Navy that I love, and these are the 7/8 length high-rise elevate legging in burgundy camo. And then the shirt to go with it is one of the Go Dry muscle tees from there, and it has little stars and a moon that says inner peace on it. And I really like wearing these for when I am lifting because they stay out of my way, and I can kind of like tie them up and just get them out of the way so that they don't get stuck in between plates or anything, or when I'm like moving stuff around, because you can rip your clothes that way. They also got me these cheetah workout pants from Victoria's Secret. These are so soft and they have big pockets on the sides. I assume these are kind of like the Fabletics ones. I'm not sure, I've never had them, but they're nice and thick. And they got me another pair of pajamas that came with an aggressively pink shirt. This is probably gonna throw off my phone camera, but it says no drama and it's a llama. And then these shorts to match it also have llamas. And then I think there's more stuff behind me that is from my parents, I think, but I'm not sure. My dad always picks me out a new graphic novel or 2 or 3 or 4, but this is the only new Wonder Woman he could find, and that is Wonder Woman the Cheetah. So I don't have this one yet. I'm very excited. I will be reading it very soon. So now I think we have to talk about the biggest present I got this year, and actually probably one of my favorite presents I've ever gotten. I have backup so you guys can see it. My cousin got me this big narwhal, and he has a rainbow belly, and I love him. It's huge. Like, it's actually bigger than me, I think, or it's about the same height as me. So it's either 5 feet tall or almost 5 feet tall, including the horn. I have no idea where I'm gonna put this thing, but it's great. It's soft, it's plushy. He might just chill in my book corner forever, which is where he's been the whole time. And Sean hates it, but I love it. So I'm very excited to put him somewhere. Then between Sean and I, we probably got, let me move you guys forward a bit, 11 candles between the two of us. So I got one from my aunt that she picked out. It's caramel coffee latte, but is one of the jackpot candles. So when it burns, there's like a ring in here. I can't remember if it is woodwick or not. But I know my cousin already, like, she got one. It's not woodwick, but it is a soy candle. So there's a ring somewhere in here. I'm not sure what, like, the pricing is on what the rings can be worth. But her daughter, who's my cousin, who got me the narwhal, burned hers already, or enough that she could pull the ring out. And she said hers was worth $35, and it was really pretty. So I am going to burn that at some point and find out what the ring is, and I will show you guys at some point what the ring was. So then, like I said, I got more wash bands. These are the ones that, so I guess my mom contacted them because they never got shipping confirmation on the watches, and they said, oh, it appears they didn't ship, we'll send you another box. And then it turns out they did ship, so I got 2 boxes full, but these ones are different. So I have like a pink now, another white one, a black one, the one I'm wearing is like a Tiffany blue, and then like a light pink and a dark pink, and then whatever else is in the other box of stuff. Then Sean got me what I call like a joint present, because it's like a present for himself and also for me. I love Very Cavallari, so he got me the True Comfort Kristen Cavallari cookbook. I'm very excited. This one is 100 cozy recipes free of gluten and refined sugar. One of my very best friends is actually gluten intolerant, so this gives me a lot of ideas for if she comes over for dinner, stuff that I can make her without making her sick, or having her feel yucky the rest of the time she's here. So I'm very excited for this, but it's also a win for Sean because it means I will be trying this out and cooking new stuff. If you've been on my channel for a while, you know I love Funkos. I collect them. I have a whole stack there. I have shelves in the apartment that have them. So my aunt and uncle fed into that addiction and got me the 10-inch Green Alien Remix Sully Funko. I am so excited about this. I do not have any Funkos this size, so this is going to be my first giant one. I have no idea where I'm going to put him yet. I thought about the top of the bookshelf, but I really want him to have his own little place, so he might go with my Haunted Mansion ones over there. But he's so cool and gigantic and adorable, and he's going to have a place of honor somewhere in the apartment. So the rest of the stuff I have to show you is all from Sean, I believe. So he got me a new pair of Beats. There's a whole inside joke behind this. But he got me these ones. These are the new ones, I think. They have active noise canceling. They're Bluetooth. They're also have a cord. So I'm very excited for these. I always need good headphones, and I can use these to edit with. And just in general, listen to my music and stuff. Then he got me this candle holder, which has a bunch of stuff in it. It is this purple candle holder from Yankee Candle, and it has candy corns and little spider webs all around it. So I'm going to put this on my spooky shelf in our bedroom where I can put a candle in and burn them, which is awesome because I don't have any candle holders that'll hold like my big TJ Maxx candles. I only have ones that'll hold my Bath and Body Works ones. So this is very exciting. He also got me 2 boxes of Bunch Cruncher because these are my favorite candy, and I already ate 1 box. And then he also got me some jewelry, which is something that he normally doesn't get me, but he knew I would love these, so, and he was right. So he got me the Disney Enchanted jewelry collection, or a couple pieces from it, I should say. So the first one, I'm trying to like hold all the tags and stuff back, is the Maleficent ring. It has all the little diamonds, and then the Maleficent horns, which is absolutely awesome. I do have to go get resized because they were sold out of my size, but I'm very excited to get resized because this is so cool and unique. Maybe on here you guys can see it better. They ran out of the villains one so fast, which doesn't surprise me at all, but I'm very excited that I have a couple pieces from it. And then he also got me from the same collection, this one's in like a bag, but hopefully you'll be able to see it. This is a necklace with just a little bar of stones and then a little gold Tinkerbell on it. So I'm going to try and take it out so you can see it. So here is just the little bar. It's very dainty. It's just very fine. And then just tink right there. So this will be my everyday kind of wear necklace, which I really don't have. And I think it's very cute. And we'll just kind of go with everything. Also got me a bookmark that has a little cactus on it and a cute little red tassel, and it says "Can't touch this." It's also a ruler on the back, so it's very cute, and I like the little tassel. And he got me a little plushie Captain Marvel because I love the MCU and I very much love Captain Marvel, and I'm very excited for the new movie. He got me one of these candles. Like I said, I got a lot of candles this year. This is a trilogy wood wick one that crackles as it burns, so it actually sounds like, you know, a fire. But the top one is apple basket, and then there's spiced blackberry, and then pumpkin butter. All you can smell right now is the apple, but it's one of my favorite smells, and it smells so good. So we'll be burning that one soon too. I think I only have one thing left, and that is the necklace my cousin Maury got me. She's been on my channel a couple times now, and she got me this paw print necklace. So it's like a little paw print, but in here, if you hold it like away from the light, there's actually a little picture of Ruger in here. It's from like the first week we brought him home, and he just looks really, really happy, and it's really cool. And this was like every year, and my family would try and get one person like a gift that would make them cry, like emotional, like happy tears. And so I was picked this year, and I did tear up about this because I love my puppy, and it's just such a good picture of him, and he looks so happy. And if you like hold it up and look into it like that, you can see the picture. So yeah, I got this. So I did get a lot of really nice jewelry this year, and I can kind of swap. Like this one can't get wet because it'll ruin the picture inside. So I want to make sure I wear this on days where it's not going to snow, it's not going to rain. The other one obviously can get wet because there's no like paper or image elements to it. But that is everything I got for Christmas, and it is a lot, but as always, I'm very, very, very grateful for all the stuff I got. And I hope you guys had a great Christmas or holiday, whatever you celebrate. Hanukkah, I know, just passed. So I hope it was good for all of you out there. And I will see you in my next video.